Hey, get a nice flow. Hey, yimba. Bawiba. Kampala Serena Hotel. The very first time that 31st of January, 31st of January here at Kampala Serena Hotel, Mr. Apas live in concert for the very first time. He is an authentic artist. Nobody can say Apas is not talented. So ladies and gentlemen, the man of the day, Mr. Apas. Obugaloba Apas Banan. Thank you. Let's hear from him.
I'm very, very thankful. I'm very humbled. I'm sorry for all the media and my partners. I'm very, very humbled. From INM, Phenom, these are my guys. Through thick and thin, MTN, callback turns. I'm new on it, so guys, make sure you get there. This is the initial thing. I'm just beginning with the callback turns, and it's interesting. The last time we met was seated on a platform like this, if you remember. Yeah, and we are here, and it's not even December. And I would like to big up my guy, Momo. Thank you so much for the kind words and the support. We really appreciate. My guys at Abja, I cannot wait for the future because it's not just for today. And for all of us here, let this not just be for today. Let's keep pushing, We can always work together with artists. So many artists are out there and they can easily partner with top partners like you guys. And I'm very humbled to be here with top partners. Thank you, Next Media, NBS Plus, could never be a minus, it's NBS Plus. And I'd also love to thank the Afro Mobile app. There's something special coming on that, so we'll wait for that. But, guys, first of all, the journey has been crazy. For those who know me, I think I started officially, I think it was 2013 with Buddy Music. Effectively, we got Nessim into studio. I was in one very small room. By the time you saw me do music, I was sleeping in a pantry. Omanyo was store obeda kumpi nechi yungu obacho hizo ita kitchen. That's where I was sleeping doing music. I've never been a comfortable artist. I have never been a braggadocious artist. I've always been real, because real is rare and fake is everywhere. And I've always been hardworking, putting in work when it comes to studio, making sure that the studio side is sorted. But right now it's the stage. Stage has to be engaged. I've learned from so many artists in Uganda, whether it's Chameleon, Bobby Wine, Bebe Cool, Misach, Silver Chagulani, so many of the artists, and I'm just mentioning but a few. And so many of these artists have given me a chance to also believe that I can be part of this industry, which is the music industry. I'm very humbled to have moved with people like Billy Gunter. Billy Gunter, I saw him start music. I saw him start music with his friend, and we were already doing it. And we were at school. He was at school, I was at school, and we were doing music, recording, and seeing him still doing this. So many people we used to work with in those studios back then are not even singing right now. And you can see the man still standing, and I'm still standing, like Cindy said. But I'll tell you one thing. Music is all about resilience. So many people fall off, as people say, because sometimes they cannot take the pressure. Let me be honest with you. Anyone who abuses me, I see it as fear. You're scared of me. You're scared of goodness. You've never seen anything like this. So you're trying to put it down. Guys, if you're watching me right now, if anyone is putting you down, just know they are less. If anyone is trying to pull you down, just know they are already down. That's why they are pulling you down. You're up. And keep being up. Struggle to stay up and above. And I've seen that in so many people, whether it's Steve, Fennon, you know, so much pressure comes when you're in a certain position. And there's a lot of pressure for me when it comes to this concert. No fan can give me the pressure I give myself. I like things to be nice. I like things to be great. That's why we have a sick production with Fennon. That's why we have one of the baddest sound engineers. He's going to work with me. It's called Cabo. The man flew in on 24th of December. We are working with him in rehearsals, every rehearsal. Even today, we are having rehearsals in the evening. We started rehearsals in November. We did rehearsals in November, December. We're still doing rehearsals in January. That already shows you that we are not taking people for a joke. When people are coming to experience a concert, you have to give them their money's worth. Someone is paying their money. That means they appreciate what you do. You have to give them your best. And I'm going to give everything on that stage. I'm not going to be there playing around. I'm going to be there to deliver something beautiful. Ebintu si bya muzannyo. Oba okitegeera omuntu wasasulira table million 3 n'emikwano gye 8 ne batuula. Omuntu wasasulira emitwalo 12, 15 twazisaze leero ku 10 only for today up to 6 with MTN, which is very special. That gives so many fans a chance to come. Abadde talina 12 osobola ogula tiketi yo ku mitwalo 10. All these people are not making these sacrifices for nothing. They are making the sacrifices for the music, for the brand. And I'm very thankful for every partner. Man, guys, my media, man, my fellow artists who have come through, you know, I didn't call everyone. And I mean, there are so many people. And some couldn't make it. So, temulowooza nti lwakuba tutaze simwagala oba nteekawo embeera oba njagala abamusaagala balala. I respect so many artists. If you've been watching, even when artists have shows, I always post them. Some of them posted me, but it doesn't matter. I am not here to look for friends. I hope you understand that. I'm here to do it for the fans. And the fans are going to enjoy this show. This show is yours. Big up to every single fan that has been pushing the show. I've seen so many fans who post on a daily basis. They even have countdowns. Guys, don't think about your fellow artists who are not supporting you. Think about your fan base. Those are the people who stand in for you. And big up to every artist that showed up today. And majority of these artists that you're seeing here are going to buy tickets or are going to buy tables. That's how you support your fellow artist. Sikulinda show ya galoku yimba. Lwakuba ejjudde olinde ng'ejjudde okuba essimu ejosi yajjudde ndowooza kati awo kanzije wano totawaana. Everything is actually curated and planned out. The whole performances are all curated. Buli kimu kiri organized. Tetugenda kuzanyira mu budde bw'abantu ate tetugenda zanyira mu feelings zaabwe kujja kuteekawo bintu bya kiyaaye. So it's going to be well organized. I would love to thank each and every entertainer that is here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Serena, thank you so much. Sometimes we at Serena and we are very thankful because Serena is also a partner. It's not just a venue, you know. And for me, those are my words for now, but I know this is not just about coming for an event. This is an experience. It's going to be a beautiful experience. More rehearsals. Never were to call rehearsals. Never just was the sounding. Bananga mbasasira. Cause we get up banyumira. Omaninga wobera mu rehearsal go nyumirwa. Go chimani. It's going to be the same feeling. You know, there's something I'm feeling inside me. And I would not love to end this statement without thanking God. This wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for God. I wouldn't be here. This wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for the fans This wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for my parents. Tebali wano basinga tebanzaala mu Uganda eno eyakabi sandibadde wakabi mu Uganda eno. I'm very thankful for Uganda. I'm very thankful for my parents. I'm very thankful for every single fan. And I'm very thankful for everyone that has taken time to come here, watch us, or be part of this. This is a blessing. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Mr. Apas. Thank you so much, Mr. Apas.
Buli omu azze mu press conference yaffe eno eya Apas live in concert. Njagala okwebaza bapartner bange INM, Phenon, aba production yaffe, aba MTN, aba MTN Callback Tunes, aba MTN Momo, aba Abja, n'abantu baffe aba Next Media, and mukino mulimu Afro Mobile App, ate mulimu ne MBS Plus. Njagala okubeebaza bonna basponsa baffe ne Serena yennyini otugenda obeera ne show. Leero the press conference yaffe eya Apas live in concert bwe tu openingidde ekintu kino okulaga abantu nti ekyo kitandise. Show yaffe ya 31 Jan nga 2025 omwaka guno gwennyini tusigazaayo ennaku ntono, ezo ennaku ziringa 14 shegenda bawano ku Serena. Tickets zigenda kubeera ku MTN Kookie, MTN Momo. Then ate waliwo ne link eri mu Instagram yange oba ku TikTok. Still oba osobola ofuna ticket yo oba okitegeera ng'oli ku mukutu omulala ojja sobola ofuna ticket yo, naye bannange buli omu ndowooza alina MTN oba ng'ogiina yangowa. Tickets zigenda kubeera ku mitwalo 10 olunaku lwa leero paka saa 12 wondabira wano paka saa 12 ez'olunaku lwa leero. Naye nga tickets ziri ku mitwalo 12 ate ziri ku discount kozi zandibadde ku mitwalo 15 naye olwa MTN yazisaze ne zibeera ku mitwalo 12 naye ate leero ziri ate era ku mitwalo 10. So yazikkiriza wansi olw'olunaku luno olw'okuopeninga flow eya media okusobola okujja bamanye ku kintu kyaffe ekya Apas live in concert. Show yaffe egenda oba enkuumuufu, sound agenda bawa tabbo nnyo. Kino ekintu temukirabangako, kiralamu, kigenda bakisufu, kigenda bakinyuvu, kigenda bakiwoomu. Jangu owoomerwe, jangu olye Apas music awooma sagala kuyaabwe. Kati ate gwe bw'ojja mu maaso n'otandika okuteekawo embeera oba obalemesa nabo kola ki okunyumirwa show. So kiba kirungi bw'oba ng'oli mu distance wona wona oba otudde oba okitegeera osobola okapturing ekintu ekyo. Ate ekirala sheno njagala ngikwate nange ngiteekeyo YouTube yange oba okitegeera abantu bagirabe mu quality oyo yennyini nga gwe mugenda obanga mufuna mu mix board egenda obanga ekuba sound oyo tosobola kifuna ng'ostreaminga oba okitegeera. So kwatayo akantu katono okateeke ku platform yo nendekera nange nteekeyo ekinene because music oyo wange ate nange njagala nkole ki nsobole omufunamu nsobole omuteekayo ku time nange entuufu ennyimba ezo zigendeyo nga ne quality yakabi. Then gwe onoomala oba oyagala busalamu after oteeke ku TikTok oba ki nakyo kijja bakirungi naye ate olina quality eyakabi. Nze kyensinga okufaako ye quality ate bwe tukitta nga tuli ku show si kirungi. Yeah, naye mu big audience oba okitegeera audience gye nnina si abali baswiti oba okitegeera audience yange ne Nimrod mwali Nimrod y'omu ku bantu abapositinze concert nti gyeri. That means anyumirwa naye waliwo ebitamunyumira oba okitegeera. Si nti buli luyimba lukwatako, olumu oyinza okwata ku mulala nga negwe terukwatako nga nesigama nti oluyimba lubi naye nga teruconnectinga naawe. So si nti buli luyimba obeera ku mukutu nalwo oba okitegeera. Waliwo abantu abagala Apas oli ayimba ennyimba eziwooma nga wuyo nga give me a kiss nga missing and loving oba okitegeera Mariana. Waliwo abagala ezo nkwagala oba okitegeera. Then ate waliwo abantu abawuliriza abantu oba okitegeera abawuliriza oluyimba nga olumba which are very calm. Then ate waliwo abantu abawuliriza dancehall wange chupa ku chupa touch the road while some of them ezo nga ze baagala oba okitegeera. then ate waliwo abaagala reggae, waliwo abaagala zuuku wange, zi memories, zi my lover, zi am loving. So weesanga nga abantu b'enjawulo baagala music ow'enjawulo. Kati ojja kwesanga ng'omuntu let's say nga Nimrod for example ng'ayagala nnyo dancehall wange didadada cupa ku cupa guli wano sidda mu kyalo bye bimunyumira so nga kyayagala alabe okusinziira nti DJ oba okitegeera naye ate ne ziri ziba zinyuma naye oyinza oba nga toconnectinga nazo so sisobola mumenye kyendowooza nti aba avibinga ne byavibinga nabyo but ng'era bwogenda olaba sheeno eno show twagikoze nga buli omu agenda afuna ekintu kye ayagala ziri eziwooma ogenda ziwulira ayagala raga ogenda muwulira so tulina segments nga sijja zikugamba naye zirinya sijja kuwulira kikirimu ki naye zonna zigenda kubeera ne vibe nga ndala nnyo so tulina program ng'eri very well curated because tukimanyi nti abantu b'enjawulo baagala ennyimba ez'enjawulo ate tetusobola kuyimba nnyimba zonna naye tugenda kugezaako okuyimba ennyimba mpitirivu ku stage eyo olw'ensonga nti ennyimba nnyingi abantu ze bazze bawuliriza ate nga bandiyagadde bambi oziraba ku show yaffe esookera ddala.
Thank you.
Useful to abantu abalala era nga bwe nagambye like my first song when I drop nze ku album gye bayita Apas baluyita Olumba lugamba ekyejo kiveeko keep fighting amigo hold tight and don't let go wekanula amaaso gateeke ku kirooto teweebaka ku mutto baakola nnyo batulemese naye twasigala tulumba omuntu yenna ayita mu situation mu life asobola holding oluyimba olwo n'agamba man I've been going through a lot but I'm still pushing sigivinze up oba kitegeera I like to make important music not just fun music because buli omu asobola oyimba ennyimba ez'okunyumisa nyinza n'okuba nga nze omu ku basinga abasobola oyimba ennyimba ezo ez'okunyumisa obunyumisa naye kirungi nnyo okukola ennyimba ezigattako mu bantu oba okitegeera nga bw'oyinza oyimba ng'abantu so I would rather engeri yonna bwe kiba nga ekintu kiyamba abalala ekyo nkyagala nnyo naye bwe kiba nga tekigattako kuyamba nnyo balala then siri so interested in that.
Rather go with the hit song.
I would rather go, no, I would never choose a hit song. In my whole life, I've never had a hit song. And I think about yo, oba leero, olw'ensonga nti lukwatako, olimba si lwange, ennyimba zino zammwe, oba kitegeera. So I would never go with a hit song. I will always go with the fans. I would always go with performing for the fans. I would always go with the music. I would never go with a hit song because a hit song is marketed. Marketing bw'aba omulungi abantu ne bamanya ennyo oluyimba nga bagamba that's a hit song. That means abantu bangi abalumanyi naye tekitegeeza nti lwa mugaso nnyo eri abantu. Oba okitegeedde ennyimba nnyingi abantu ze bamanyi bw'oseka naye ng'emazima. Waliwo ennyimba nnyingi ze muwuliza omwaka oguwedde ng'ezisinga zonna za kidongo. Nga ne bwe tubala wano emyaka 2 mu maaso togenda kuddamu odduwuliza yadde okigezaako. Naye ng'ate mwali mugamba hit song kati nze mumbalira awo mba saagala kumbalira awo because music simukola bwetyo.
Then I
Esebo akusabe kama Katonda waffe tukwebaza olunaku luno nga press conference tukwebaza olwa buli omu asobodde okujja leero n'abasobodde tulaba ku TV basobodde tulaba ku ba YouTubers ba TikTokers ba artists twagala okwebaza webali nnyo bakuuma webali kuuma buli omu azze leero okunyumirwa naffe otunyumya ku kintu kino kya concert egenda obeerawo nga 3 mu lumu tusaba otukuume otuwe obulamu okusobola okutuuka ku lunaku olwo ate tulinyumirwe n'abantu abanaabeera naffe ku lunaku olwo. Mukama tukuume ffenna ne tuddayo waka tutuuke bulungi tusobole okukola bye tukola nange kennyini ne batiimu yange tugende mu rehearsals tukole ku mirimu gy'abakama baffe tuwe amaanyi tuwe okwagala obutaluuzinga kwagala okwo okwokukolera abantu kisigale nga kiri mu ffe byonna tubisabye mu linnya lya Katonda ali mu ggulu I mean,
We're running your A-Pass. Nga tetunabagenda